The minute I was able to walk, my mother put a toilet brush in my hand and said, "Go clean."
How old were you?
I honestly think I was probably 5, 6 years old. The company was founded in 1972 by my mother, Carmen, with 4 small children, and the only way for her to help supplement incomes and assist in the family was cleaning some base housing. And in 2001, I purchased the company, and by implementing some new technology and software, we were able to exponentially grow the business.
We service some of Boston and Massachusetts' most well-known companies. They trust us to keep their buildings clean.
We feel confident that we can service any of our clients' needs for any service they are requiring.
CM Cleaning prides itself on all aspects of facility services with a particular focus on commercial cleaning. We offer a multitude of special project work, special services as we call it. That includes carpet shampooing, resilient floor cleaning, refinishing of vinyl composite tile flooring and laminate flooring, window cleaning, and the list goes on and on.
We're ahead of the industry, I feel, when it comes to cleaning techniques and equipment, tools, training. To see the customer's face the next morning is one of my favorite parts when they walk in and they say, "Wow, all right, CM Cleaning, they're the real deal."
We pride ourselves on our customer response and our customer relationships. You're gonna have a face-to-face contact on a weekly, bi-weekly or monthly basis. We're always gonna be in the building checking on our quality. We're always gonna be checking in with the customer to make sure that their needs are met. As well as suggesting some special service work that may bring their building from looking good to looking great.
As Terry always says, we're family owned and employee powered, and I think that's
Absolutely.
it couldn't be more true. Through 3 generations, we've really done a great job with our employees to make them feel like they are a part of our family, and they are.
I love building the culture, and it's really important for them to feel part of something, and that just funnels down right to the client, and it's forefront in making them feel that they have some great people servicing their facility and they're in a happy place.
CM Cleaning Company is always evolving, always changing. The name of the game is sustainable growth. We offer 24-hour, 7 days a week, 365-day a year emergency response service. So we pride ourselves on a 1-hour response time to any emergency call that we receive, and our emergency service hotline is open 24 hours a day for you.
We really give a personalized experience. We are not just a salesperson that shows up at the door. We're continuously, throughout the whole process, year after year, as our contracts renew, the same faces there, the same people are managing, selling. You're not just getting a salesperson and then you're moving past to the next operations person, the next salesperson, and the turnovers just aren't happening. So we really put a lot of pride and emphasis on being a family business if we're able to personalize your service.
I think one of the most impressive things is that through 3 generations, CM Cleaning has maintained the same reputation, and that we actually have quite a few customers who've been with us through the 3 generations, which is really cool, starting with Carmen, down to Terry and Tom, now John and I. So it's a really cool thing. We take a lot of pride in that. But to have the same reputation in their eyes through 3 generations, I think is something that we really pride ourselves on.